The time when someone ineffectively listened was me. I effectively listened to my dad when he told me I couldn't put the jet skis in the water. This was last summer, and I asked if I could put the jet skis in the water the next day. He said no, one of the oil caps is missing on the jet ski. I wasn't really listening at the time. I'm not sure what I was doing. I was probably on my phone. So I just didn't hear him. Next day, I put the jet skis in. Didn't have a problem, luckily. Made it back to my house safely and everything, but I realized when I was putting the jet ski on the lift that there was no oil cap. And in the back of my head, I remembered my dad telling me that. And I was thinking, I knew he wasn't going to be very happy. So put the covers on the jet ski, went upstairs, and then when he got home, it wasn't a very good sight. He just was very mad at me. Um, yeah, I mean, I could have changed how this happened if I would have just listened to my dad more, probably made more attention, paid more attention to him. Um, just a lot of things that I didn't do right when I was listening to him. I don't know, it just wasn't good, and I definitely learned my lesson from that day. Something could have happened a lot worse, like the jet ski sinking, and I was on it, but it didn't, thankfully.